Hi guys, picked this one up in the charity shop. Cost me £1.50. This was down at Porter's Head. Don't often go down there. There's only about 4 charity shops there. Anyway, I was looking at it in the charity shop. It's made of metal, tin plate or whatever. It's got a lot of detail in there. I don't know if you can see through there. And those wheels look good enough, don't they? Back wheels, freewheel. Front wheels, flywheel motor. This is what I really liked. Warning, this is a collector's item only, not a toy. Due to sharp metal parts and non-approved toy paint. Not suitable for persons under 14 years of age. Brilliant. There's a few bits missing. Lights are missing off the back there. That'd be the wing mirrors there, I should think. There's some holes there, so I should think there should be some indicator lights there or something. It's got a good weight to it. It goes quite a long way on that flywheel. I won't bother trying to show it, but it just goes a good distance for a minimal amount of push. What I want to do though is take it apart, have a look inside and see if there's any chance of fitting my mini camera in the back there. It looks really old, but I don't think it's that old. It's using crosshead screws on it. And the really old ones wouldn't have been using crosshead screws. I don't think, anyway. Because really old is relevant, isn't it? Or relative. I'm really old. But there are older people than me. Oh, I hate that. Different size screws. So you have to try and remember where they came from. There's no manufacturer's name on it. Right, front and back were long screws. Yeah, no manufacturer name in there or anything. That's all the detail. So, steering wheel, handbrake, gear lever, switches, left-hand drive. I suppose they sold them in foreign countries. That's a lovely flywheel motor. All metal gears. A bit of dust in there. But I'm not going to take it out, I'm going to leave it. Leave the dust. Feels like a bit of rust. I wonder if those holes at the back there is where there might have been plastic exhaust pipe attached to come out underneath. So, is there anywhere I can get that mini camera in there? I don't think there's enough room. Even the smallest of the mini cameras that I've got. I'll go and have a look. These are my two mini cameras. That's my old one, and that's the newer one. They're about the same height. That one looks like it's higher, but that one, that's got the buttons on top. So if you push it in there and it pushes the buttons down, it's going to switch it on and off. That's another problem. I'd have to switch it on, put it in, and it only just goes in there. Then you've got to put all this back together. And then you can hear it fall out inside. The most practical solution, to be honest, would be to take the plastic windshields out, so I can just place it on the back there. This is just so I can have a bit of fun filming. Get the windshield out. Looks like we've got to take the roof off. We'd have to unbend them carefully. What have they done with that one? They twisted that one right round. Now I can see. I expect somebody's crying watching this video by now, if this is a real antique. Wow, we could actually have it as a soft top, couldn't we? Anyway, that's what I want to do, get that out. There they are, back together. So that one can sit there. Right, that's what I'm going to do. Put that back inside, then when we go out for a drive we'll have that sitting on the dashboard of my car, so through the camera it looks like it's driving. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.